Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable Passkey on WhatsApp. So to enable Passkey on WhatsApp, you open the app. You should navigate to your settings. Go to account, click on Passkeys. It says here, create a passkey for a secure, easy way to log into your account. Log into WhatsApp with your face, fingerprint or screen lock. Your passkey is stored safely in your password manager. So if you want to create a passkey, click on Create Passkey. You're going to see your Google account. If you have multiple Google accounts, you choose the one you want to use to create a passkey. Click on Continue. It's going to ask you for your fingerprint or your password or your Face ID. Once you click that to authenticate it, your passkey will be created successfully.